Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to talk about how maintenance payments given or received by one party to a child support order are going to affect child support obligations under the law that's going to be in effect in Illinois starting July 1st, 2017. So under this new law, the courts will look at relative incomes of the parties. So previously, the courts just looked at the payer's income and gave a certain percentage of that income as child support based on how many children the couple had. But now under this new law, we're going to compare the net incomes of both parties to determine each party's child support obligation. So the higher the net income of the person receiving child support, generally the less child support they're going to get under this new law. So we did a really good article on the topic and got about 60 comments so far. If you want to learn more about it, there's a ton of comments at learn-about-law.com. But one of the comments was, how do maintenance of payments given or received by one of the parties affect the relative incomes for the purposes of child support? And it's pretty simple. So if you are receiving child support, if you're on the receiving end of child support, and you're also receiving a maintenance payment, then that maintenance payment counts as part of your net income for the purposes of child support, whether it's from the party that's paying you child support or whether it's from a different person. So regardless of where it's coming from, if you're receiving child support, the maintenance payments that you receive will bump up your net income, which means that the more maintenance you receive, the less child support you're going to receive. And again, that's even if the person paying child support is different from the person paying maintenance. So on the flip side of that coin, if you are paying maintenance to the person that's receiving child support, if you're the person obligated to pay child support and you're also making a maintenance payment, then that reduces the amount of child support you're going to have to pay. So your net income, if you're the child support payer, is reduced by maintenance payments paid to the same person that you're paying child support to. Now, it's a little different if it's somebody else. So if you're making maintenance payments to a third party that's not involved in the child support, then that's not going to reduce your net income. So that's a little bit of a distinction to make. So for the person paying child support, it matters who you're paying that child support to and who you're paying the maintenance to. For the person receiving the maintenance child support, it doesn't matter where the maintenance is coming from. If you're paying the child support and you're paying maintenance to the same person, then your net income goes down, and meaning you're going to be paying less in child support because a lower relative net income means lower child support. If you are paying maintenance to someone else, then your net income doesn't go down and that maintenance doesn't affect your child support. So if you want to learn more about child support, maintenance, or any other area of law we practice, which is almost all of them, go to learn-about-law.com where you can see more videos, podcasts, and articles about nearly every subject of law. If you'd like to schedule an initial consultation, you can call me at 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in almost every area of law, and we have offices all over Chicagoland. You can check out our podcast for business owners at seizeyourbusiness.com, podcast for real estate at makingrealestatefun.com. And I want to thank Tom Weiler from weilerstudios.com for doing a great job on our video. If you want to get a video made, you can go to weilerstudios.com, and that's Weiler with a Y. Thanks so much for listening.